So in this video, I'll be sharing with you exactly how you can use OBS Studio to achieve a clean, crisp, clean background like this one. Now to achieve this, it's best that you use a green screen or a blue screen. Get into it, and how you can achieve this using OBS Studio. So here I'm in OBS Studio. I'm going to be removing my video device. So now it's just a blank OBS Studio. So you're going to select plus and then select video capture device. Select OK, and then you're going to choose your camera. So in my case, it's a external camera I'm using, and there you can see my green screen. So here I'm just going to select OK. Now one thing you want to do is that you want to ensure that your green screen is well lit. The more light on your green screen, the better it is for your output or your end result. Now what you want to do on the camera that you added is right click, select filters. At the bottom you're going to click add other effect filters, then select chroma key, select OK, and here by default green is selected. However, if you're using a blue screen, you can select it from the list. Select close. Now let's minimize, and that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.